Hello everybody, so today I'm just gonna show you the tool that I have created. So for this to work, right, so you need to have a click as well as the proxy test and the panda. So if you have these three requirements, so you can use this tool. So let me just demo this. So I could just use Python CLI. So basically you can use this command, right? So you can use add from text file or cd file, or you can do you can manually add a single proxy, right? You can check a single proxy. So in order to check this, so what you have to do is just do python cli.py, then you can do single instance, right? So let me just use the http. So you can use http as well as the https. So you can do this, and 1.1.1, suppose this is my proxy. So what I can do is just do enter. Now what I have done is testing the proxy, right? So it checks this, and after checking this it shows an error because I don't have any proxy right now. So and we have the existing, so if csv has been loaded and csv file has been written, so that's the log. So this is very simple tool. So thank you guys.